There's the bird. Boy. Hi folks, welcome to Dogs Afield. You're going to enjoy this episode. This is our 2019 Prairie trip to Montana, prairie bird hunting. We had a great time, great hunt, and we have so much film. This is going to be 2 parts, 2 episodes. Hope you enjoy it.
This is our 6th time to Montana, and the birds were plentiful and the weather was great.
For us, it's a 39-hour drive from New Hampshire to Montana.
It's a very long drive, but it's a great way to see the country.
As most of you know, for Susan and me, it's a lot about the dogs. We love the dog work and we love to watch them. We have with us 3 dogs. We have Deena, the 8-year-old. She's the mother of the other 2. Then we have Cordy. She's 3 years old. She's a little female. And then we have Blaze, Susan's 2-year-old male.
As Paul said, Deena's my dog, 8-year-old mother of our 2 others. Deena is a very experienced hunter. She has hunted in 3 Canadian provinces and 8 or 9 states, and she is a solid bird finder. And in the past, she has been steady to wing and shot. And then we have Blaze, the 2-year-old son, and Blaze is coming along nicely. He is becoming a good pointer, and he's also learning to be steady. So can't wait to have you see what they do.
And little 3-year-old Cordy, she's pretty good. She's a good bird finder. She's got a good point. She occasionally breaks. One thing I should point out is in New England, our wild bird training is on woodcock. It's a small bird, doesn't make a whole lot of noise when it flushes. And on the pin-raised bird, it's usually the weak quail. And so when you flush those birds or make them flush, it's not a big noise. It's a lot different when you go west to the prairie and you've got a covey of large birds like sharptails flushing. It's hard for the dogs to resist, not to chase. So we give them a little bit of leeway there, but still we want to tighten that up a little bit.
Okay, let's get going. We're going to start with Paul's girl Cordy on the ground.
Enjoy.
Whoa. 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 Nice point here. Cordy, whoa. Whoa. Looking good. Whoa. 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 What do you got here, huh? What do you got? Whoa. 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 Dead. Good girl. Good girl. Girl. Cordy. Cordy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Nice sharptail. Montana sharptail. Good work. So she was pointing this that this is the bird I wounded. She located, pointed it, and now we've got it. So good work, Cordy. Good work.
Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food, providing performance diets for the canine athlete and brought to you in part by RST, manufacturers of short chamber low pressure shot shells, Mud River Dog Products, fundamentally changing the expectations of the hunter and dog enthusiast. Pete Shoe Dryer, inventor of the footwear dryer, takes on the nuisance of foot odor. Thorogood, Job-fitted footwear, handcrafted in America since 1892. Visit thoroughgoodusa.com for a dealer near you. Merkel shotguns, made with pure passion and reliable craftsmanship that never fades.
So now we're going to devote a few minutes to Blaze's hunt. Took him out, and he was hunting well, and he had good range, and we had a couple of wild flushes that I took a shot at. He did remain steady, so I was very proud of him for that. And then Paul took him out and got a nice, did you get a point?
Yeah.
Got a nice point
Yeah.
and a decent retrieve. Find a bird. He doesn't have a lot of experience yet. Come, find a bird. So what he did just there too is he ran out to come back around to catch that. That was pretty exciting, wasn't it? Yeah.
Ooh. 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 Good solid point here. Ooh. Ooh. Nice boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Where's the bird? Good boy. Good boy. Blaze, come. Blaze, come. Come right here, all the way. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, there's another.
Good work, Blaze.
Just a quick break for a message from the folks that make this program possible. Then we'll be right back with more bird hunting in Montana.
Hi folks, you know, if you have a new puppy, you need to be very, very attentive as to what you're feeding that puppy. Native puppy level 3 is what you need. It's a great start for your pup. None of the unwanted grains like soy, wheat, corn are in there. So puppy level 3, and then from there you go on to the native level 2, 3, or 4, whatever fits your schedule. Check it out. Puppy level 3 for your puppy. Hi folks. Merkel is my choice for a shotgun. Whether it be simple backyard clay shooting or competitive clay shooting or upland bird hunting, Merkel is spot on. You throw it up to your shoulder, it's always right there. Merkel is known for its elegant, high-performance shotguns. The new 40E field grade shotgun is offered at an attainable and an affordable price. The Merkel shotgun is robust, reliable, and intuitive. That's what matters most when every split second counts. Check out Merkel today. You won't be disappointed.
Blaze, dead bird. Dead bird. Where's the bird? Good boy. Good boy. Blaze, fetch. Come, right here. Drop. Good boy. Good boy.
And here we're taking Blaze for a good run through the fields. I love to watch this dog work. He really stretches out and he can cover some ground.
He sure can.
Find a bird.
I agree.
Blaze! Hold up, Blaze. He says, all I know how to do is lick, Mom.
Now we're going to give little Cordy another turn, and let's see what she does.
Okay.
Ooh. Beautiful point right there. Beautiful point. Whoa. Ooh. 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 Fetch! Cordy, fetch! Cordy, fetch! Cordy, come! Hold! Well, that wasn't very good. Supposed to deliver to hand.
Okay, so now we're going to watch my Deena take a turn. And we have some bird action here, and I shoot my first hun.
Good morning, folks. Another great morning in Montana. We're with a longtime friend, Jim Brenner, who lives locally here in Montana, and he's invited us to go hunting this morning. Jim, what do we have here? Kind of a pasture type setup?
Yeah, it's a pasture between two wheat fields. There's some big coulees that run down through here. My brother-in-laws have pulled the cows out of here, so it seems like the grouse that I've run into here the first week have been in the lower cut stuff, you know, yeah. I mean myself. So we'll go up here and hunt down around and hit the coulee. There'll probably be some huns in here also.
Good. All right. Jim, let's get going.
Okay.
All right.
Watch out for that wire.
Got a nice point here from Deena. Can't find the birds. Oh my God. She got one, didn't she?
Got a hun now.
She started tracking those birds way up here.
Yeah. it's just amazing. I love watching the dogs work, whether I shoot a bird or not, you know. I mean,
should be a nice retrieve here. She's a great retriever. She really never loses a bird. A downed bird.
Fetch it, right here. Fetch it. So just as Deena is ready to deliver the bird to me, my camera battery gave out.
Well, I hope you do.
Yeah.
no, those were, when they got up there,
Yeah.
the way they got up.
Yeah,
all
they got
flushed
up like
the
huns,
thing.
yeah.
And you always hear with the huns, they get up and they go, they kind of got that, it's like a squeaky
Yeah.
gate opening and closing.
So,
That's a young of the year hun there.
Oh, yeah. Huh. And you know, you saw the way she was working, huh?
beautifully.
Well,
Then
yeah,
she
was trying to
finally,
be careful
she tracked
and-
those birds all the way from up here,
Yeah,
all the way down there, and then finally established her point.
yeah.
And then you kept working out in front of her until you found the birds. That was very nice dog work. Excellent.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah,
she
she was-
tracked them for a long ways.
Yeah.
And then once she thought she was close enough, she established her point.
Starting-
Well, the old girl, the old timer,
She gets it done, huh, Deena Dreams? She gets it done.
There's what, about 10 in that covey?
Yeah.
8 or 10?
10, yeah, 10, 12. I think it's your turn to be Billy Goat.
okay. Well, she gives us a point, I'll go.
I think, I think you need to get down there.
Looks pretty interesting, doesn't it?
I'm going to say there's a big bunch of roses right down there. I believe that's what it is.
Whoa. Whoa.
Look at that.
Just a quick break for a message from the folks that make this program possible. Then we'll be right back with more bird hunting in Montana.
These work boots are made in central Wisconsin. Thorogood shoes have been crafted by hand in Wisconsin since 1892. We manufacture over 125 styles of made in the USA law enforcement, firefighting, lifestyle, outdoor, and safety footwear. Our facilities in Merrill and Marshfield produce footwear with the same dedication to quality we've had for 125 years. Thorogood Shoes American Heritage Footwear, proudly made in the USA.
Hi friends. You know, whether you're a hiker, hunter, jogger, walker, all of those activities
creates sweat and moisture in your footwear. That moisture leads to bacteria, mildew, mold, all bad things for your feet. To eliminate that moisture, you need a peat shoe dryer. The new PowerCell Peat eliminates that moisture and creates a better atmosphere for good foot health.
Oh, look at that. Of course, it could be a bunny. No, it's not a bunny.
Whoa.
Stay low.
Whoa. Whoa. What you got, huh? What you got? What you got, huh? Where are they? She's relocated?
Yeah.
Unproductive. This is a rose hip, which is a very popular sharptail food. That's the rose hip. If you find rose hips, you're probably going to find sharptails. This is another great sharptail food. They call these snowberries.
At least 3 years ago, another spot over here, it's on Aunt's cousin's place. There's a big slough down there, and there's usually, you know, I mean, it's got water in it and everything. Yeah. And I got into some snipe down there.
Really?
Yeah. It was like the 15th.
Oh my goodness.
16th of September.
Ah.
We're hunting sharptails, and I'd shot a couple sharptails over grizz there, and all of a sudden, he's in the moist stuff, and he goes on point.
Yeah. Never snipe.
And I'm like, well, it could be a sharptail hiding right there, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Kind of that reed stuff. And
right. Yeah.
Snipe come out of there, and I shot that, and he went and got it. I've seen them around.
Yeah.
And, you know, and they breed here and stuff. And
well, they're very similar to a woodcock. Yeah. Well, Jim, we had a great morning. We had some decent dog work on Huns. We didn't find any sharptails, but boy, beautiful fields. And I want to thank you so much for helping us out this morning.
you're very welcome. I appreciate the chance to come out and watch your dogs work.
Well,
They really did well.
well, thank you very much. Hopefully, we can do it again soon.
Okay.
All right, very good. That concludes the first of 2 episodes on our 2019 Montana Prairie Bird Hunt.
So be sure to watch part 2 of the 2019 Montana Bird Hunt. There's more dog work and bird action.
Thanks for watching, and
We
hope to meet you in the field someday.
Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food and brought to you in part by RST Shot Shells, Mud River Dog Products, Peat Shoe Dryer, Thorogood Footwear, and Merkel Shotguns.